wanna be with somebody. You make me wanna be with somebody. Doing things that I usually don't.
Okay, excuse the mattress. It doesn't have any sheets right now because I'm washing them. But Urban Decay sent me a package and I just wanted to film this because I think this is so cute. Like, it's got stars on it. It's so pretty. I've never received a package from them before. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up to see what they sent me. This is what Urban Decay sent me, which is crazy. I have never gotten a package from them before. And they sent me this really pretty eyeshadow palette that says Metal Mania. I think that's like the name of it. And this lid part is actually super thick because it has the stars inside. You open it up and it looks like this. Comes with this super cool double-sided brush. The brush is so cool because it's like clear. And then these are the colors. I did swatch some already, and then they sent me this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and that's all they sent me, but it's so cool and so crazy how I got sent that. And these little styrofoam thingies are actually purple stars, which is so cool. Okay, and then today we went to Ulta. Oh my god, my dog is literally trying to get into it. We went to Ulta. They were having a sale for their 21 Days of Beauty. And this concealer went on sale. I've been wanting this concealer for quite a while now. And it literally went on sale. So I'm like, okay, that's my sign to get it. I heard it's super good for dry under eyes. And that's what I have. And this is super hydrating. I got mine in the shade Snow. And the guy like shade matched me and he told me this is my shade. When he went to go look, he said that there was no more. And then he told me that I could just go up to the front and let them know and they could order it for me. And when I was walking up to the front, they had a bunch of the concealers, like kind of where they put the 21 Days of Beauty stuff, but there was only a little bit. So I was like, you know what, let me just look really quick just to see if my shade is there. I go to look and one left in the shade that the guy told me I would be in. And I was like, oh my gosh, here it is. And then another guy came up to me. I don't know if he works there or if he was just a customer, but he was like, did you want two or did you just want one? And I was like, oh, I just want one, because he had another one. And so basically that means there was two left in this shade, but that's so crazy. But thankfully they had one, and I feel like I manifested it because I kept imagining myself using it and I just wanted it already. So I feel like I manifested this. And then we went to Target, but I got two things. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. Actually, I got three things, but it's in the kitchen, one of them, so I will go get it and show you guys. Okay, so the first thing that I got is by Visions Formula, and it's a brush, like a super cool 4-in-1 type of brush, and it's great for traveling. It even says travel friendly, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so good because it comes with two eyeshadow brushes and then like a blush brush, and it comes with a little beauty blender type of sponge. And I'm like, wow, this is so convenient if you're ever going like on a trip or if you need to spend the night at someone's house or something and you don't want to take like a bunch of brushes. This is so nice, and I like how it's not super big and bulky. Like, it's literally so small and compact, and I absolutely love it. This is how it would look once you like screw the top ones on. And yeah, I think this was like $10 though. A little bit pricey for one brush, but you are getting 4-in-1. Second thing I picked up is by the same brand, Visions Formula. I got this like face palette that I saw this YouTuber use, and I really loved the colors in here. This one is the Butter Dream Team one, and I really love this specific highlighter. It comes with two blushes, two bronzers, and then it comes with like a face powder, I believe. I was thinking about using these three mainly for like eyeshadows. I feel like those would look very nice. And then this for like highlighter, and then two bronzers. They almost look identical. I feel like this one's literally just like probably a shade or two darker from this one, but I still feel like you could use both of them. So yeah, that's the little face palette that I got. And then this is the two beauty products that I got from Target. And then the next thing that I'm gonna show you is a waffle maker. So we were walking around in Target and we went to the Halloween aisle and we came across this ghost mini waffle maker. I love that it's purple, so cute. So we found this, I believe it was like 10 bucks. And I think you could actually make one circle waffle too, and then have the ghost in the middle, kind of like how they did up here, and then you could decorate the ghost. That's my little haul so far today, and I just thought it would be fun to show you guys. Guys, look at Coconut. He's just chilling with some toilet paper right now. I don't know why. He's sitting like that, and he's literally just chilling. this place called PF Chang's. It's a really cool restaurant. These plates are so cold to touch. It's like made out of like stone or something. For the menus of what they have. I just got chow mein. Forgot to do an OOTD before I left. So I got this top from Pink and paired it with these white pants. They have pockets. And then I'm just wearing these slippers from Old Navy, and then of course this bag from Lululemon. We're back from eating PF Chang's, I believe that's what the restaurant was called. Now we're just gonna chill. I did order some beads because we want to make Taylor Swift friendship bracelets. Forgot to show you guys these that I bought from Target the other day. They're these Warhead shoes, like the rope shoes. Kind of like the Sweet Tart ones, but these ones are sour and they're so good. And then for my Kindle, I did switch out the stickers. I don't know if I showed you guys, can't remember. I tried to do kind of a fall vibe, but I still also kind of tried to make it look cute. And I want to order some books right now. We went to Barnes & Noble's today. They were having 30% off a lot of their hardcover books, but we couldn't really find the books that we were looking for. And we wanted, I think it was Legendary, which is part of the Caraval series. That one they didn't have. They only had the finale, which is the third book. But my sister was looking for the second book, and then a book I was looking for, they didn't even have it. So we left. We might go tomorrow because tomorrow's September 5th and a bunch of books are launching. So we want to see if we could go check them out tomorrow, and we might go check them out and see if they have any of the new books, because I saw online that there's a lot of new books launching. There's also some Christmas books. It might be a little too early to get Christmas books though right now, just because Christmas is still far away. But I do want to get some fall books and some more romance books. And then Emily, this is her little book collection. Obviously she has Fourth Wing back there, and then she has those books. I think she said that she was gonna make more book videos, but I don't know what videos she wants to make yet.
In storage.
You could still make videos with those. Look at Coconut, he's asleep. His eyes are like completely shut. He's just resting and he's taking a little nap. So cute. I've never seen his eyes shut like that before. Usually he sleeps with his eyes open sometimes.
Other one's open.
Oh, the other eye's open? Why is his eyes shut like that? Oh my god, I've actually never seen his eyes shut like that. But you said the other eye is open. He's like in a deep sleep. Is he sleeping? Why did he randomly just go to sleep? He's barking at Emily because she told him to get off of her blanket, and he started barking at her because he's basically saying don't tell him what to do. Get out of this room, he says. He owns it. Yes, he does. Now see, they're leaving. I can't. Sweetie, you see the rain?
On the table, you want it?
Just taking a plant out to get watered.
This is warm rain.
Now the floor is completely wet. There's thunder. There might be a rainbow. There's a lot of thunder like over there. My closet has been an absolute disaster for the longest time, and I just got done organizing it right now, and it still looks a little hectic and messy, but I just really don't have enough space because that side's all my sisters. So honestly, I'm very limited here, so I just kind of have these resistant bands, some like ankle thingies for working out. I have that band. I have that Kate Spade strawberry bag back there, and then I have some incense in a plastic bag all the way in the back, and of course a little jump rope, and then I have some Uno cards here, some random snow gloves. Yeah, I have a backpack up there, markers, and then I have these super cute little journals. Well, this one's just a basic black one. I have an Aries one, and then this Zodiac one here, and then I have the self-care one, and then my bullet journal. And then over here is where I put all of my books. This is my jewelry little box thingy. And And this is all of the books that me and Emily just organized right now.
I organized, not her.
Mainly Emily, she kind of tried to figure this out. And then at the very top, I just have my Kindle up there, as you can see. And these are all the books that I have so far. I have more, but they're in the storage. But I have so many books to read. And the only book that's not up here is The Nanny, because I'm still trying to get through that one. I have The Nanny right over here. Still trying to get through this book.
Make me wanna be with someone.